So one thing I get asked pretty frequently is, what is a weed? Well, a weed is simply a plant out of place. Did you mean to plant this grass here next to your Swiss chard? Probably not. So that's a weed, and you go ahead and pull it out. Now in pulling weeds, though pulling the foliage off helps, it's always best to try to get the root system. And to get the root system, that means getting as close as you can to the base of the weed and gently pulling out. And it's not always going to work, but just getting as many root systems as possible will help you a ton. But yeah, if it's in a spot where you don't want it to be, if something just popped up, if you don't know how to identify it, go ahead and pull it. It's probably a weed. The only exception to this is when you're starting seedlings. Seedlings don't often show their true leaves right away. So if you plant seeds and things pop up and you're not sure if they're weeds or not, give them some time to develop their true leaves, and then you can determine if it's a grass or if it's something that you planted there intentionally.